What's going on, B-Risers? Hope you guys are doing fabulous. So this is a what I eat in a day, but what I eat changes day to day depending on how I feel and the energy I'm using. So some days I'm a lot more physically active than other days, so it really changes day to day, and I really just follow, what my body wants. I try to get in tune with my body, and I find when I become in tune with my body, it'll tell me exactly what I need. And so I'm just gonna give you some foods that I typically eat in a day, but keep in mind it changes because I love biking, I love exercising, getting out in nature. And so if I use a lot of energy, then I'm gonna have to eat a lot more. So typically what I eat, sometimes I will fast till noon, but sometimes I'll eat at 9 in the morning. It really just depends how I feel. So I usually though always start with hydration and grapes. I love grapes. Grapes are high in resveratrol, so for any skin issues, really good for skin cancer, powerful antioxidant, and super hydrating. So I love grapes. I can easily spend $20 to $25 a week on grapes, and that's usually my first meal. That's the first thing going into my stomach. So start with hydration. It's a good way to break the night's fast. And then I will, just follow what my body tells me. Usually I'll have some oranges, maybe some, I've been really enjoying fried up apples. It's just so tasty and super good this time of year in winter. And then maybe I have some side of walnuts, really good for those omega-3s, good for powering the brain, a healthy fat, really good for winter. So I get those walnuts in. And then for lunch, I might have a big smoothie, green smoothie with bananas, berries, again, high in antioxidants. If I don't have a smoothie, then I might have some quinoa, maybe some sweet potato, really high in protein, and great for the skin as well. I might have some avocado on a big salad, again with some some healthy veggies on top, maybe a veggie soup like butternut squash. So I really switch it up every day, but I'm getting in a variety of antioxidants and minerals. So that's really keeping me healthy. And if we look at the leading causes of disease nowadays, which is heart disease, cancers, and we want to make sure our immune system is high, especially in these colder seasons when we're indoors and we're breathing in the same air as other people. We want to make sure that our immune system is high and functioning well. So that's where, getting in lots of high vitamin C rich foods and those minerals can really help keep your immune system clean and flowing. Now for dinner, I might have a stew, filled again with lots of vegetables, lentils, maybe some barley, or just some lentils again with lots of vegetables and some injera. Lentils are high in iron too and protein, so we're really just focusing on getting on an array of healthy foods. And you have to just tune in with your body and see what you gravitate towards, and just try to tune in with yourself, and you know what's best for you. If you really just focus on tuning in with yourself and listening to yourself, and that will be your best guide. All right, you guys, stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna share a lot more recipes. This is just a kind of a general video of what I typically eat, and hope you guys found it useful, and let me know what your favorite meals are down below in the comments. I'd be happy to hear what you guys enjoy. All right. Thanks so much for tuning in, and as always, be your beautiful selves. Be getting in some healthy, delicious food today, and be getting in some nature. When you do that, we'll all be Rise it.